Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 157. This was Friday, 3 February 2023. Did exercise 45 minutes on the treadmill with 6-minute jog. Worked on books, worked on Remote Wellness Academy, and also attended a power training session during the day. What I'm grateful for, I've been doing a little bit of Uber driving, and I'm grateful for the people who have given me tips. There's a lot of people who don't, but there are some people who do, and I'm grateful for those who have taken the time to tip me, and I appreciate that generosity. And I'm grateful for the other people who don't, because um, you know, trusting me and being there. I'm grateful for the opportunity to do that whenever I want to. So that's something that I'm grateful for that I'll mention for today. Thanks for watching. Talk to you tomorrow.